Okay, people, let's do this. So here I open my browser from the CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. So this is my GitHub, the project I created. You can go there. You can see that you can download it. So I download it on desktop and we open it and extract all. So now I open it and it's an index. So it's the website I created for the project 0, and the logo I just put it my name, Ammar RAJABI, and you can see that you can search everything here. Like I search it hardwired, and you can see that it's functioning and it's working. You can see that, yeah. So we go back and we can click here and see that I'm feeling lucky, and you can go see that to other things like it is one. So it's working. Go back again. About image search, we click and we just write it our word and image search. You can see that there is photo. So we go back and again we go to advanced search. So here we are for category, find pages with the words like a word, for example, advanced search. Just find every website with 8 words. You go other things like our word, for example, or word. Go search, just find the website with the things. So it's working. The third point with any words, so we just write it 8 words like again. So it's working, it's okay, it's great. And with none of the words like a, just go and see that it's working also. We click and we came to the home page. So that's it.